what's going on? I'm going to show you guys a little bit about this system. I've gotten to play with it just a little bit since yesterday. So some of you guys may have seen I had the guys from iDig out. I got the iDig software put on the excavator. There's some people that have reached out or just expressed interest in seeing kind of what this thing is, and so I'll show you. So there's sensors on the machine. There's one right here on the wishbone, dog bone, whatever, of the machine. There's one on the dipper stick, and it also has these lights right here which catch your laser. And I didn't even realize when I bought the machine, but it comes with a rotary laser and everything you need for the system to work, and it's a really nice laser. I think just the laser alone was about $2,500, and then the stand that they brought with it was about $6,000. So that's a huge freebie in my opinion, because I was buying the software, not the laser, so it was pretty cool to see that. And then you have one up here on the main arm by the machine, and you can tell from the pictures there's a lot of measurements they had to take, and they did a very good job doing it. So there's also like a gyroscopic sensor under here, and then I'll show you this real fast. But this is my tilt bucket, use it for grading and stuff, and so there's two sensors that go on the back of there. So how these sensors work is you just slide the sensor in, lock it in, and it automatically starts working and syncs to the system. And they're solar powered, so they charge as you use them. It's pretty neat. So I'll hop in the machine and show you guys kind of what it looks like up here. Okay. Alright, so get kind of some glare. Okay, so this is the screen. So we've got the 2-foot digging bucket on right now. Click apply. This just goes through all of the stuff you gotta do. Okay, so right now it does not know where the bucket is. You've got to set a 0 point. You can pick right here which side of the bucket it's measuring from. So you can do the middle of the bucket, which is what I always do, the left or the right hand side, and you see it locks it. So you can unlock it. I'll put the middle right now. There we go, it's locked. So it's always going to pull measurement from, let's see here, so I can do this one hand. I'll have that down. So you can see right there, and it measures from the tip of the tooth. So we will set this on the ground right there. And then, so you go here, put measurement. It says actual, so it's asking. So if this is where I wanted to start my grade from, like say, which is pretty close, my grade's actually right around here somewhere, but we'll just say for video purposes, this is what I want to be grade. You come into this screen right here. Sorry for that glare. You hit OK. Now it starts measuring from there. You can see we're at 0 feet 0 inches, and as we raise up, so I'm raising up, you can see the system is measuring exactly how high we are. So it's saying we're 2 foot 6 and 5/8. And so we measured this with a tape. We checked it yesterday, and it's within about a quarter to an eighth of an inch of accuracy. So it's plenty for what I need. So that's our 0 point. So you can go out here, like on the pad, turn, measure out here, just set the teeth on the ground. Barely touch the ground because that's what we were doing. Go here where we need to come up, so it's negative 11 3/4 inches in the middle of this pad. So we need to bring this level up right here to be level with where we put our 0. 11 3/4 inches, which is about, I don't know if you can see that mark out there, but I marked it with a laser. It says 12 inches or 13 actually out there. So this is pretty accurate. And then over here by the tree, we're about 3 feet shy. So this machine's, it's pretty awesome, and this light bar coordinates each one of these dots represent an inch. So right now it's showing we're, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6, well, the max. So as I bring it up, you'll see now we're high. So we're high 9 inches, and it's showing we're high. As you drop it down, those will start going away, and then when you're on grade, pull up a little bit. teeter between low and dead on, and if you look, we're -3/8, -1/4, and so that coordinates with where grade is. So this was just a quick video of what's going on. I'm going to make some more videos of how the machine actually works, different things. You can set slopes with it, you can dig footings, you can dig swells, you can dig, it's pretty insane. And once you add a laser to it, it gets even more useful. So anyway, hopefully this helps the people that were interested in maybe looking at a system like this. Reach out to me personally and I can put you in touch with the guy that helped me out. They came out for about 5 hours yesterday and did everything. They calibrated 2 of my buckets. I've got one 12-inch digging bucket that I still need to calibrate, but they showed me how to do it. They're there to talk to me on the phone if anything happens. So I'll be doing more videos on this thing because it's pretty fascinating and it's super interesting for me, and I know I've got some friends in the dirt industry that might want to put something like this on a machine. It basically saves you paying a guy $15 to $20 an hour to walk around a pad all day, check and grade with a stick or grade rod. So it's accurate within, I think, 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. It's wild, and in real world testing they said they've had it closer to about 1/16 of an inch. So it's plenty for what anybody I know is going to be doing. So anyway, if you guys have any specific questions or want to see any specific part of the system, don't hesitate to reach out to me. And if you're interested in pricing and stuff like that, message me and I'll tell you guys kind of what I paid versus and what all came with it. So anyway, hope this helps.